A new day and another budding puzzle series. Welcome to my little corner of the internet in which anyone from anywhere in the world can solve a crossword with someone on the opposite side of the planet. The Anti-crossword is a word cross puzzle of my own design. There are fewer pesky rules and multiple levels to each individual game. This one has 17 base words and is named 17 Miniature Elephants for no particular reason. But yeah, come along and check it out. See if you are inclined to enter a guess or two into the comment section. We will start with number 1, of course. Cheers! Number 1. To overlay with a thin layer of wood for outer finish. 6 spaces. Number 2. Abominable snowman. Tibetan. 4 spaces. Number 3. To neglect or act contemptuously toward. 4 spaces. Number 4. A beginning. 5 spaces. Number 5. A robbery, from the command given to raise the hands. 6 spaces. Number 6. A very small quantity or degree. 4 spaces. Number 7. To restrain, to hinder. 5 spaces. Number 8. To suffer pain. 4 spaces. Number 9. A violent rushing stream of water or other fluid. 7 spaces. Number 10. Easily instructed, passive. 6 spaces. Number 11. Name assigned by British colonizers to an area of African land where Zambia and Zimbabwe are today. 8 spaces. Number 12. To go back. 6 spaces. Number 13. A complaint. Informal. 5 spaces. Number 14. A covering of ice over a large area. 6 spaces. Number 15. Quote in support of an object. 4 spaces. Number 16. Of a light red color. 4 spaces. Number 17. Bounty hunter of legend in the Star Wars universe. 8 spaces. So that's it for now. If you are so inclined, head over to my video 20 Fried Clovers Part 1 and check if you know an answer. I have Part 2 mostly done and am waiting for enough guesses. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed wherever in the world you happen to be from.